Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. So we've got an unboxing for you. Banggood sent me this 6-wheel drive, apparently JJRC according to the website. However, on here it says Max-1 112 scale 6-wheel drive, and I think we've got a YDJIA. I couldn't even pronounce that if I tried. Anyways, this is the way it came in the mail, which is very, very unusual for Banggood. And nobody even sealed the bag. I'm surprised it made it from China to here with an open bag like this. However, the box has also been dinged up, which, well, I mean, it can happen, I guess, but I did hear some stuff rattling when I picked it up to bring it into the house, and I was kind of like, I don't know. So I guess we're going to see what's going on in here. Well, rattling stuff so far looks to be like the battery was sitting loose and the screwdriver. Cool. Alright, good sign, good sign. So there's our USB charger, our radio. Seems to be intact in there. I have to slam some batteries in there. So we do have a 6-volt 700 milliamp rechargeable battery. This is likely a NIMPAC or NiCad. 2.4 gigahertz. Two double A's? Yeah, it says 2 double A's for the remote. Well, we got tons of those kicking around. Not much of a manual, very basic. There we go. Gives us a little bit more info. Alright. Well, there's another piece that was rattling inside. So it looks like nothing got broke. That's actually really good. I gotta quickly grab some side cutters. Don't go away. Alright, so we got some side cutters now. Let's get into this thing. Boom! Wiggly wiggly. That's cute. So, it's got a full spring suspension all the way around. That should be cool. Apparently this thing can climb up to a 45-degree angle too. That should be interesting to test that. Nice tready tires. So, of course this is not hobby grade. It is toy grade. But there is a motor on each one of the axles, which is really good. So definitely going to have plenty of torque there. Your steering trim is from a little switch dewey on here. And of course our battery goes in and underneath here. Just turn that. Guess we'll have to I see. There we go. Little clip. So battery goes right in there underneath. plenty of ground clearance. You should be able to go through a couple of inches of water without any difficulty. Thing can go in, you know, sand, gravel, that sort of dealy. Can't wait to see the headlights lit up. No tail lights though, but does have headlights. And the little rack pod up here. I'm sure if we get creative, we could throw some LEDs in there. That'd be kind of a little cool mod. I like it. It looks pretty cool, you know. It's kind of neat. So, I'm going to have to charge up the battery and we'll do a running video separate for you. But it looks like it did come in without any problems, nothing broken, just a bunch of stuff that was loose for some reason. Don't know why. Looked like the original factory tape. But like I said, I was not too impressed with how Banggood actually shipped this. I've bought a lot of stuff from Banggood over the years, and they always really well protect the packages, and you know, there's 10 miles of tape and foam around the stuff. This came exactly as you saw it, so that really didn't impress me there, but everything's intact, so that's a good sign, and there's no problems there. Anyways, so far so good. We shall do a running video for you guys, as well as we'll make it a review as part of that, tell you what I really think of the thing, but so far that looks pretty sick. Actually looks better than it does in the pictures. And it even has, well, I don't think I got any little guys that small, but I'm sure if I modified some little guys I could fit something in there for people, but you know, make it look a little more scale cool, but pretty neat though. That's awesome. And of course I love the colors. That's really cool. Anyway, so we shall see you guys on the running footage, so stay tuned for that on the next video. Ciao.